Hey guys, welcome back. Quarantine 10 cruise up in Huntington Beach area. Just got here waiting in line to get parked for our first meetup, and it's a toy drive. So I brought a few toys and get to drop them off, help some kids out, and hopefully have a good day of shooting some good cars and getting home safely. So see you in a minute. Guys, so just so you see my car, I know I haven't been filming it at most of the quarantine cruises. War Machine, one of my favorite builds. Camaro. I am in love with mini tubs. Another 69. This LS motor looks awesome. Cool Chevelle build. I don't know about the open fenders, but tires are wide enough.
Yeah, just a little bit, right? 325s.
Man, I'm jealous. I didn't learn about mini tubbing till after I was done.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Or at least that part of the project, you know.
They definitely love to stick and get going.
Oh yeah. I know you guys have seen this car before. This is Johnny's 67 Tempest. I never get old of looking at this car. This never gets old. There's Johnny right now.
Hey, what's happening?
Hey, bro. Hey, can you tell me a little history in your car?
Sure. 1967 Pontiac Tempest. Picked it up in 2006 off Craigslist for about $5,000. Guy had to get rid of this for his Harley, and so I kind of lucked out with it all. Came with a 326 original motor for the Tempest.
Yeah.
So then I had the 455 built for it. Replaced all the suspension. I did that part myself with the Ride-Tech Air Ride Street Challenge system on it.
Nice.
Have Doug's headers. Just recently got the Black Widow exhaust, the neighbor haters, because I like to bug everybody.
Neighbor haters.
And then really recently was the Tech upgrade,
Yeah,
6-pack.
That's sick.
So that was one of my favorite upgrades, not only for the wow factor, but also just performance.
Drivability, everything, yeah.
Exactly. And then I go in there, fire right up.
Yeah. Right on, brother. Well, thanks for the little tutelage on the the baddest Tempest in the world.
Hey, thank
and
you,
I hope you guys like it, because I love it. This is the baddest Camaro here. Those gauges. Alright, here's Ryan's build. Obviously a 68 Firebird. He basically has the same engine I do. Still looking stealth. Oh, damn it. Love it. Hey guys, I just ran into Rob with this beautiful 65 GTO. Rob, can you give us like a little summary of what you did here, what's going on?
All right, I've had
Feel free to walk around the car if you want.
Had the car since I was 15.
Woo!
Went to Norco High, built the motor in auto shop.
Oh, nice.
Same motor.
Back then?
Yep.
Oh,
So,
man.
That was about 1984.
Nice.
The 400 out of a 69.
Okay.
Got a 5-speed Tremec,
Nice.
9-inch Curry, Wildwood brakes,
Yes, yes. Nice.
14s in the front, 12.5s in the rear.
This build sounds familiar, doesn't it, guys?
Started on it in 03,
Yeah.
and the guy it was a trade that didn't work out very well, and my buddy that works at TMI got me to go again in 2014, and then we brought it to SEMA.
Really?
In 2014 with a TMI booth.
Wow.
So, the car was the original black on black with a black top, but TMI wanted me to go with something that popped a little better.
Sure.
So
yeah, I like the taupe.
Yeah,
what color would you call that?
I guess it's some kind of tan, I don't know.
Yeah, whatever. It works.
I don't have a stereo in it yet. One day.
You don't need one.
Listen to
You
the
can't
road.
hear it.
Yeah.
I made that mistake of putting a stereo in mine. I can't hear it.
Save the money, huh?
Yes, sir.
spend it somewhere else.
Oh,
Got a little bit dirty. I was in there messing around.
Fully upholstered. That's awesome.
Hey-o! I didn't know you were on air ride. Dang! No wonder your stance is perfect. You can make it
Does
perfect.
a lot for it, huh?
Yeah. Woo! Awesome, Rob. Thanks for the tour.
Welcome. There's badass Chevelle that actually has a big block in it, not an LS. Later, brother.
Hey guys, I'm back home. Got one issue. No oil pressure. As you saw, oil pressure problem. I think it's the sending unit. We'll find out, diagnose that. Another video topic. So thanks for hanging out today, guys. It was a really interesting show. I don't have any driving footage unless I can pull something from the dash cam. But it was really neat walking around, meeting new friends. And until next time, you guys know the drill. Building fast, driving faster. See ya.
I should have recorded your reaction, man. That was priceless.
You gotta let me see it. Did you get it?
No, I didn't. I'm like, oh, do that again. No,
I can redo it. I can redo it.
Yeah, let's do take two. Let's take two.
Take two. Yeah. Take two. Oh shit! It's green.
I love that reaction.
Green.
I love it. I love it.
Wow. Got me.